going for all the comics you've seen? Hell yeah. I'm married. My husband wants to have a threesome. I don't care. Man, woman, have it without me. I don't give a fuck, you know? Every guy is always like, I want to have a threesome. It's like, oh yeah, you can't even talk to two women. Good luck. Yeah, I'll do it. You set it up. Let's see if this ever happens. So far, it has not. Does anyone in here ever steal money out of their husband's wallet? Sorry, our wallet. I got in a little trouble with my husband recently. Sometimes I go out at night, I have a little too much fun, you know. And so I was Googling what are nice things you can do for your husband. And this article came up, and the first thing said, leave a nice note in his wallet. But then the second thing was just suck his dick. And it's like, who wrote this? What guy was sitting around I can't put suck his dick first. I know. I'll leave a little note in his wallet first and then suck his dick. Really throw him off. I didn't click further. I imagine the third thing was just tickle his balls a little, you know? I don't know. Men are so uncreative. I think the men are the dumbest creatures on earth. I know there are a few of you in here tonight, and I'm sure you're all very stupid. Yeah. I know this because I recently watched my husband put a lit cigarette behind his ear to roll a joint. Yeah. And I just took a step back, you know, just to see if he knew he was about to be on fire. He did not. My husband once asked me if a tampon went in or under. Yeah. 41 years old. I told him under. I don't know what he thinks happens under, but that's what he thinks. We were going out on a date, and I was like, what kind of outfit do you think would be sexy for me to wear on this date? And then he said overalls. Overall? Where are we going? Paintballing? What's the day, you know? And I get it. I'm a fat person. You don't want to say anything weird or uncomfortable. And if you're sitting there and you're going oh, my God, Lisa, you're not fat. You are also fat. I know that I'm fat. I recently twisted my ankle and people keep asking if I have gout, so I'm pretty sure I'm fat, you know what I mean? A friend of mine sent me some earrings she thought I would like, and they were little mozzarella sticks. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm fat, you know what I mean? I'm not that comfortable with my body. I actually do think I have a pretty good body for someone who's had 2 kids, though. I haven't had any kids. I just do feel like that I have nailed the look, you know? I'm Middle Eastern. People are always surprised to find out that I'm Middle Eastern. I just grew up in Texas, and I had to assimilate. That's how that works. My parents actually let me dye my hair blonde in the 8th grade. Yeah, shortly after 9/11 happened. You hate to say this as an Arab woman, but 9/11 for me, kind of a glow up, you know? I get overall bad, you know? It's kind of great for my social life, you know? I know that I look white, but I do identify as a Habibi W, so I don't know too much about dating, but I do know the worst date food. Does anyone here know it? What was it? Spaghetti. I'm gonna go hot wings. I think hot wings is the worst date food. You look like a maniac when you're eating them. Also, sometimes a gentleman will go to the restroom, not wash his hands. Later on, he'll put his hands inside of you, and you'll start to feel a burning sensation. Yeah. And you'll be like, oh, what is this? I've never felt this before. Is this what love feels like? Ow. Ow, ow, ow. And I wanted to tell you guys that joke tonight because last week I did that to myself, so here we are, just being vulnerable, you know. I host an astrology podcast. Some of you may know me from that. I actually told that to a man recently, and he asked me, did you major in that? Yeah. I was like, sir, I'm not sure which one of us is a dumb bitch right now. Thanks so much. I'm Lisa.